Okay, all people who are part of this class, remember your Google form is now closed and IRS is over. So, இப்போ நம்ம திரும்ப we'll come back to the class. I request all of you to come in your video avatar. Okay. எல்லாரும் கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ அவதார்ல வாங்க, அப்பதான் வந்து கிளாஸ் பார்க்கறதுக்கு நல்லா இருக்கும். Now, let me start with the என்ன round இது? What's my word? What's my word means anagram based round. Okay. We are going to ask questions for which the answers will be anagrams. Okay. First, a word or 2 or 3 words will be given. The answer will be a single word, or if it is going to be a double or triple word, it will be given in brackets. Or within brackets, if it is given, then it means 2 words or 3 words, whatever. Okay. If you give a meaningful word that matches the answer within the 12 seconds, you'll get 20 points. Okay. So, நான் காட்டுற clue வச்சு நீங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 20 points வந்துடும். அதாவது ஷஃபிள் பண்ணி, இல்லைன்னா வந்து இன்னொரு ஃபேக்சுவல் க்ளூ கொடுப்பேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொடுக்கிறது லெட்டர் பேஸ்ட் க்ளூ, செகண்ட் கொடுக்க போறது வந்து ஃபேக்சுவல் க்ளூ. ஃபேக்சுவல் க்ளூ கிடைச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் 9 seconds டைம் இருக்கும். அப்போ நீங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா you get 15 points. Sorry. Even then, if you are not able to say the answer, a picture relating to the answer will be shown, and if you are able to say the answer after that, you will get 10 points. The picture will be shown for 6 seconds. Let us take an example. So here comes the example. First, I links he. So the 3 words are, but the answer is going to be one single word. Within bracket கொடுத்திருந்தா 2 or 3 words வரும். Here the answer is going to be one single word. The answer will be got by shuffling these letters. I links he. Okay. So here is a clue. The clue is a world city. A world city means most probably it's going to be the capital of a country. So in a 9-second timer ஓடிட்டு right. The 9-second timer is also gone. Now the 6-second timer is running. It is a red timer. Red timer na danger வந்துடுச்சு அப்படின்னா 6-second timer is over. So this is only an example, you see. So what's going to happen here is the answer to this question is Helsinki. Okay. I links he. அதுல இருக்கிற லெட்டர்ஸ் எடுத்து நீங்க ஷஃபிள் பண்ணி போட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஹெல்சிங்கி அப்படிங்கிற ஆன்சர் வரும். You see, Helsinki is the capital of Finland. I have typed that already. Okay, now we are going to the questions, right? Already 41% have rejoined this meet. Let us hope that the remaining people also come back quickly. Let us go on to the next one. Ready and as I told you, you can come online at any time and say the answer if you are very sure about the answer. Here is the words I roam. Okay, and the timer has started.
Maori.
Maori. Maori.
Maori. Maori. So many answers coming in.
Maori. Maori.
Mario.
The answer is actually a language. Okay, come on. Answer சொன்னீங்கன்னா போதும். Don't confuse again and again. Maori நிறைய பேர் சொல்லிருக்கீங்க. The answer is a language அப்படின்னு சொல்லியாச்சு. And now we are going giving a picture clue. So you can see this picture clue. So these are the people who speak that language. Okay. So let me show you the right answer. The right answer is indeed Maori. Maori is a native language of New Zealand. Okay. Write down the points. யார் பாது பாப்பாலாம் பேசுது? Okay. New Zealand is also called the land of the Maoris. Okay, there is another nickname for New Zealand based on what Maoris have named it.
Land of beaches.
Yarpada Ramaswamy Vishwa, please go out of your presentation. Ramaswamy Vishwa, whoever it is, please go out of your presentation, otherwise I will have to take you out. Okay, are you able to see the presentation? Say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I have already told you, please do not come into the presentation mode. Okay, do not come into the presentation mode. When the just join மட்டும் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Presentation mode la irundinga, it will interrupt my presentation. Okay, right. Let us go on to the next one. It's regalia. Regalia is a word. Adu shuffle pannina, you get the answer. The 12-second timer is running now.
Algeria.
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 Okay, the answer is the name of the country. Already
Algeria.
many of you are doing a positive
Algeria. Algeria, sir.
Okay. Let us see. And let us see the next clue, which is a visual clue. So we are seeing the map of the country, and it also shows the capital's name as Algiers. The correct answer is indeed Algeria. Well done. Many of you have given the right answer this time. Algeria is the right answer. Let us go on to the next question. First, let me show you the clue by Sahara. So in the letters shuffle pannina answer varum. You shuffle these letters and you will get the answer. Answer is a one word answer. See, there is some problem. Are you able to see? Raise your hand. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the PowerPoint? Yeah, yes, you are able to see. Vaidilingam, yaro message anupirninga. There is a problem with your system. Correct that problem. Okay.
Sir, cut pannite read
So the answer is the name of
Sarabai, sir. Sarabai.
Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai.
Sarabai.
Answer சொல்லுங்க.
Sarabai.
So the picture also shows the scientist. சொல்லுங்க.
Sarabai.
Okay, Sarabhai
Vikram Sarabhai.
is the right answer. So what Sarabhai is Vikram Sarabhai. Father of India's space research. Okay, there is a famous center named after him. DK Kumar, switch off your mic. Ramaswamy, switch off your mic. Please, all of you switch off your mic. அங்க வர extra sounds லாம் இங்க கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கு. Okay. VSSC is named after him. VSSC is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Okay. VSSC belongs to ISRO. and it is located in Thiruvananthapuram. Right. We'll go to the next question. Let us see the clue. Nose magnet shuffles to give you something, which is the answer. Come on. Start trying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nose magnet is going to give you the right answer. No one has attempted. Fine. The answer is the name of a fruit. Nose magnet is a fruit. One word. இன்னும் யாரும் சொல்லல.
Mangosteen. Mangosteen.
Mangosteen. Mangosteen.
Yeah, I'm getting answers now.
Mangosteen.
Right answer, right answer. All of you are attempting.
Mangosteen, sir.
It is mangosteen.
Mangosteen, sir.
Okay,
Purple mangosteen.
is the right answer. Okay, fine.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen is the right answer. So let us try to get some details about the mangosteen. Hello. யோகா விஷ்ணுபிரியா நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணு. கிளாஸ் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது இந்த நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணாது. ஓகே, ரைட். So you can see, sorry, you can't see this, isn't it? Mangosteen is an East Indian tree. Okay, East Indian tree, and so till now, if you are not sure of where mangosteen was from, mangosteen is from eastern part of India. Okay, நம்ம மார்க்கெட்லாம் கூட அடிக்கடி இந்த ஃப்ரூட்டை பார்க்க முடியும். Next question க்கு போலாம். Let us see the clue. Tazquel. Tazquel has to be shuffled.
Quetzal.
Yeah, already answered.
Quetzal.
Wait for me to say the answer. நீங்க ஒரு answer Yeah, I have the names. Okay, the answer is the name of a currency. The answer is the name of a currency. The second timer is running now. Now, the second timer is the picture. In this picture, you are seeing a bird. Yeah, திரும்ப சொல்றேன், ஒரு முறை நீங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லிட்டு உங்க மைக்கை ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க. புரியுதா? Need not be saying the answer again and again. If you have told the answer once, you switch off your mic. எனக்கு டவுட் இருந்தா நான் திரும்ப உங்களுக்கு கேட்கிறேன். Okay? So there is no issue about that. If you have any doubt, you keep your mic on and ask me the doubt. If you have no doubt, after saying the answer, you can switch off your mic. Let us see the answer. The answer is Quetzal. Okay. Quetzal is the currency of which country? Come on, anyone.
Guatemala.
Guatemala is the right answer. Okay. Guatemala is the country that uses Quetzal as currency.
Guatemala.
So Quetzal is a currency that is named after a bird. Okay, you saw the bird in that picture. So let us see that bird once again. So it is it's an attractive bird, and it also features in the flag of Guatemala. Okay, let us see if we are able to find the flag of Guatemala. So here is a flag of Guatemala. You can see in this flag that the bird Quetzal is sitting. Nama PowerPoint presentation we didn't see such a long tail. That is because bird வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் close up ல காட்டணும்ங்கிறதுக்காக அந்த tail காட்ட முடியல. If you see, the tail is nearly thrice as long as the bird itself. Okay, let us come back to the okay and see the next question. The next question, choky hole. Choky hole. So shuffle the letters and give me the answer.
Hockey.
Hockey. The answer is a flower. Name of a flower.
Hollyhock.
Okay, it's a flower that's related to Christmas.
Hollyhocks.
Fine?
Hollyhock.
Right. The answer is hollyhocks. 3 or 4 people have given
Hollyhocks.
the answer. The answer is hollyhock. Let us go to the next question. The clue is galvo. Very simple, isn't it? 5 letters only.
Volga.
Volga.
Yeah, answers started close.
Volga.
Very good.
Volga.
Okay, a little bit out of order. Still, the answer is an international reverse name. Since I have shown both the clues, I have set both the timers together. Okay. The answer Volga is right. Whoever attempted, all of you have given right answer. Okay. All those who attempted gave the right answer. Next clue, let us see the clue. Poisoned. The clue is poisoned. You have to rewrite the letters of poisoned, rearrange them, get me the right answer. Fine. We are going to see the clue. Poisoned is a mythical character.
Poseidon.
Poseidon.
It is from Greek mythology.
Poseidon.
Picture.
Poseidon.
Roman equivalent is Neptune. Okay. Poseidon. And Poseidon is the answer. Well done, people. Most of you have given the right answer. The answer is Poseidon. Oh. Right. Let us see about Poseidon. Poseidon is the Greek god of the sea. Roman equivalent of Poseidon is Neptune. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. He fails. So you shuffle the letters in he fails, you're going to get the answer. Quickly. No one attempted. We'll see. He fails is a sports person. As a sports person, he or she should not fail. Actually, I gave the clue as he fails because she played as a he.
Shefali.
Yeah. The answer started coming. So
Shefali Verma, sir.
as a model herself on Sachin Tendulkar, and for getting more competitiveness, she dressed as a male and started playing in the male league instead of the female league. Right now, she is one of India's top players in women's cricket, and she is Shefali Verma. Okay, right. So you understand why I chose he fails as the anagram? There is a reason. Fine, let us go on to the next one. Man or. So 2 words I have given, but the answer is a single word only. Single word with 6 letters. Come on, make a guess. Just 6 letters, students. The answer is the name of a world leader.
Monarch.
Not Marcus Manakanda. He is someone who has some connection to Pondicherry. Some connection to Pondicherry. Many answers came. But
Macron.
just 2 or 3 gave the right answer. The right answer is
Emmanuel Macron.
okay.
Emmanuel Macron.
Emmanuel Macron is the president of France. Okay. Emmanuel Macron is the president of France. You know in what way he is connected to Pondicherry? Pondicherry was a French territory. Okay. So that way he is connected to Pondicherry. Right. Now we come to the next one. Yak Earth. Yak Earth. 2 words. Shuffle them. You'll get a single word with 9 letters. Okay, let's see the clue. Yak Earth shuffles to the name of an Indian leader.
Thackeray.
Uddhav Thackeray.
Okay. Answer
Uddhav Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray. Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray, sir. Uddhav Thackeray.
Yak Earth becomes Thackeray. Thackeray is the right answer. And it is Uddhav Thackeray who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Okay. So Thackeray's political party is called Shiv Sena. Let us see one more question of this type. The 12th and final question of this type. Let us see. N isolation. So the answer comes in a very simple manner. Just you have to insert the N somewhere into the answer, I think. It's a term from geography. Now I
Insulation.
let us see the picture.
There is insulation.
So the picture shows global horizontal irradiation. Term for irradiation is the answer. I got the answer from you. 3 or 4 of you have given the right answer. The answer is insolation. Okay. So into the word isolation, you just insert an N. You'll get insolation. So this is the explanation for the word insolation. Amount of solar radiation that incidents on a particular area of the Earth's surface. Nowadays, the term insolation has become very important because we are increasingly relying on solar energy for our power needs. Okay. So எந்தெந்த ஏரியால இன்சோலேஷன் அதிகமா இருக்குதோ அந்தந்த ஏரியாஸ்ல வந்து சோலார் பவர் பிளான்ட் வைக்கிறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. You get more energy generated when the solar insolation is more in a particular area. India பத்தி கேட்க வேண்டாம், except the Himalayan region maybe high insolation. Most of India will have some exemptions like the places which are having very thick forests. Okay, so let us move on to the next thing. Okay, it's an audience question. அதையும் பார்த்துறோம். இங்க நாம தான் ஆடியன்ஸ், நாம தான் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட். Right. Beton. B-E-T-O-R-N. 6-letter word. You must try and shuffle the letters. Maybe next week in the Mary round Ketana, I will try to give some extra time for shuffling. Let us see the clue. The clue is a writer. இன்னும் ஆன்சர் வரல. ரைட்டர்னு சொல்லியாச்சு, அவருடைய நேம்ல இருக்க லெட்டர்ஸ கொடுத்தாச்சு. So let us see the picture.
Bront.
Bronte or Bronte. Okay. So there are three sisters. Three authors shared the same name. Yeah. The answer is Bronte. Emily Bronte. Anne Bronte. I don't remember the other two names. Okay, so the answer is Bronte sisters. Okay, three sisters. One more audience question is there. Let us see that also. Henry Dog. Question has two words, but the answer has one word. Okay, answers have started coming. Let us go for the clue. The clue is chemical element. Henry Dog is a chemical element. Henry Dog is a chemical element.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
What is the answer?
Hydrogen.
Okay.
Sir, hydrogen, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Hydrogen.
So I'm getting some
Hydrogen.
What we're seeing in this picture is
Hydrogen, sir.
a German airship that exploded. It's called the Zeppelin.
Hydrogen.
It was filled with hydrogen gas. I am repeating once again. நீங்க ஒரு தடவை ஆன்சர் சொன்னீங்கன்னா போதும். Your answer gets registered. Don't worry. Okay. So hydrogen is the correct answer. So hydrogen shuffles to Henry Dog. Okay. Right. So now I am coming to the next round called common round. Before going into the common round, I just have a small work. Please give me a minute.